Hi, this video is going to be how to create a checklist. So where you go to create a checklist is under Projects. Go to Manage Checklists and you click on that, and that'll take you to this page, which is basically your checklist library. You can see all the current checklists you have. You can see how many, what the name of those checklists are, how many statements or questions there are or steps for the guys to follow. You can see how many projects each one is attached to. You could edit or delete them right from here if you need to. To create a new checklist, you can simply hit the plus symbol. So you're going to think of what this checklist is going to be for. So let's create a checklist to basically QC a system. So we're going to call it the QC checklist. I'm going to save. And now, once you save it, it'll take you into that QC checklist itself. Again, you can edit the name at any time if you'd like to. And now you can just start adding items of things you want them to do in the QC. Maybe it's check all lighting buttons to make sure they're operating. Check iPads for control. So you want to make sure receivers are set up properly. And again, you can just go on and make as many steps or things you want them to do in any kind of checklist that you want. If you do need to change the order, if you just go under the sort column here and just click and drag and drop, you can drag and drop the order to any of these that you'd like, and it'll change the order for them. But now if you go back to your manage checklists, you will see this QC checklist, and this will also appear when you're creating a project in that, at that last step when you're creating a project in the manage, what checklist and what forms you want with that project. So this will now be an option to choose if you want this checklist with that project. And that concludes creating a checklist.